EX is the shortcut key for extend. EX, enter. Okay, let me draw some entities. Let me do ortho. Now see here, go to extend, EX, enter. Now again select all, just again enter. So whenever you are going to trim, mostly you have to press double time enter, even in extend as well. Now in the trim there was a cutting edges. Here we have boundary edges. So go to boundary edges. Again it will ask if you want to select any specific objects, you can select, or you can do select all. So do select all by pressing enter. Okay, now select the objects. See how it is being extended. You can see. Yes. Let me do undo. So this is how extend works, which we have already seen in the trim command. Okay. So go to fence. If you select fence, you can see this fence. This is the fence. Wherever the fence is moving, extend is happening as per the boundary. Okay. There are some invisible boundaries as well, which you might not see. And those invisible boundaries are created by extension of any particular line. Okay. Yes. Let me do undo again. Yes, exactly. Like see, this line, the extension of this particular line, which is invisible. If you extend this line up to here, so that is invisible. So that is creating a boundary for this particular line. So that's why, see, this line will get extended up to here, which is the boundary of this line. In the same manner, all the invisible boundaries which we cannot see, it will extend up to that point. Now, after this, we have done fence. Okay, crossing, you already know. Okay, crossing, you already know. See, this is the crossing window. Once you cross any window, means whatever the objects will come inside this, or whatever the objects will be crossed by this particular window, that will get extended. Simple. So do undo here. Now, next is mode. Mode is already done. Quick or standard, same thing. Okay. As of now, we will go to standard. Okay. Project I will teach in 3D. Now edge. Edge you already know. Extend and no extend. So if I go to no extend, okay, see, no extend means what? No extend. So it's very simple. It is quite similar to trim only, which I have already explained. Okay. Yes, exactly. So see, here it cannot extend. This line cannot extend up to this boundary. But if I go to edge and select extend, then see here, it will be extended. Can you see that? Yes, exactly. But do undo again. If I go to edge and no extend, then see, it is not getting extended. So this is how it works. Okay, it totally depends upon you how you want to use. So that's all about extend command. Okay, I hope you got my point. Even if you select shift, okay, if you press and hold the shift button, and if you want to trim, then you can do that as well. But for trimming, we must have some intersections as well. Like let me do like this. Okay, now EX, enter. Select all, that is again enter. Now press and hold the shift. See, it will act as a trim. The extend option can be used as trim by press and hold the shift button. Okay, press and hold the shift button, and the extend can be used as a trim command. I hope this is clear to you. Now